Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Srila Prabhupada, in the Sri Upanishad, he said that one must learn the process of nescience alongside with the process of self-realization. In the Isha Upanishad. Pravritti with nirvritti. How is that?
He says that in the Ishopanishad it says that you should learn the process of self-realization side by side with the process of nescience. Nescience.
Niscience. Yeah. But that is pravritti and nivritti. Pravritti means sense enjoyment. And nivritti means self-negation. When we say that you shall not have illicit sex, and their inclination is illicit sex, therefore it is evolution. They are materialistic person. They want sex enjoyment to the best capacity. Homo sex, this sex, that sex, naked dance, all sexually inclined, pravritti. And we say, stop this, nivritti. We do not like it. Because also, pravritti, they do not know this is essential. They do not know it. This is essential. Tapasa brahmacharya. Tapasa means brahmacharya. The so-called Swamis, they are coming for the so-called yoga practitioners, but they are themselves victim of sex. This is right. Actually, it is a bluff. They have become Swami and teaching some yoga system because they do not know that one has to stop this, first of all. Brahmacharya. So, this bluffing is going on all over the world. And we are speaking just against them. Murkhaya upadeshahi prakopayana santa. If you give instruction to the rascals, you will simply be angry. You will not take advantage of it. This is our position. All the so-called professors, philosophers, they are all in the pravritti mark. Therefore, they are bringing somebody, our interpretation is like this. Pravritti. Because if they can find out some support from the Shastra, then they think we are secure. Pravrittincha nivrittincha navidu asa. The whole world is full of asuras, descendant of Hiranyakashipu. And it's very difficult. But if you give them chance to chant Hare Krishna mantra, gradually they will understand. difficulty, the so-called Swamis, priests, popes, they are also in the Pravritti Marga. All these priests and they are illicit sex. Pravritti Marga. So they are passing. Yes, you can have homosex. They are getting man to man married, you know.
Yeah.
They are performing the marriage ceremony between man to man in the open church. What class of men there? And they are preached. Let's see. Such degraded persons drinking, they have got hospital for curing their drinking disease. 5,000 patients in a hospital in America. All drunkards. And they are preached. You see. Simply by dressing a long, what is called, overcoat,
Cloak.
Habit.
cloak, and a cross. In India also, simply having a thread, banning, 2 pies thread.
Even the coolies at the train station.
They buy simply one danda, one is sannyasi. This is all over the Musulman having a long beard is Musulman. Musalle Iman. Musalle means complete and Iman means honest. That is the meaning of Musulman. Completely honest, completely devoted.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.